Welcome to Gearhead Ultra. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation in adventure vehicles, the all-new Ram Camper van. If you're a road trip enthusiast or someone looking to escape the hustle of daily life, this might just be your ultimate ticket to freedom. The Ram Camper van combines the reliability and power of a Ram truck with the functionality of a fully equipped camper. Designed for adventure seekers and modern nomads, it's a perfect blend of style, comfort, and off-road capability. The design of the Ram Camper van is unmistakably rugged and bold. Its durable body, off-road tires, and skid plates ensure it can handle challenging terrains with ease. Whether cruising down highways or navigating rocky trails, this van is built to perform in all environments. Under the hood, it comes with options for a powerful 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 or an available 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine. The V6 offers smooth and reliable performance, while the V8 provides the extra power needed for towing or tackling steep climbs. These engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless power delivery and efficiency. Inside, the Ram Camper van is all about comfort and convenience. The driver's cabin feels like a premium SUV, featuring leather seats, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. The camper section is where this vehicle truly shines. It transforms into a mobile home with a thoughtfully designed interior. The fully equipped kitchenette includes a sink, a 2-burner stove, and a compact refrigerator. There's also ample storage space for food, gear, and other essentials. The dining area features a foldable table and comfortable seating that can easily convert into a sleeping space. Depending on the configuration, it accommodates 2 to 4 people. LED lighting and built-in USB ports ensure you stay connected, while the climate control system keeps you comfortable no matter where your journey takes you. For those who enjoy off-grid adventures, the Ram Camper van offers optional solar panels, a lithium battery system, and a water filtration setup. These features make it an excellent choice for extended trips away from civilization. The rear of the van includes additional storage and a compact wet bath with a shower and toilet. The clever use of space ensures you have all the amenities you need without sacrificing mobility or style. When it comes to customization, Ram offers various packages and upgrades to suit different lifestyles. You can choose off-road enhancements like a lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, and enhanced skid plates. For urban explorers, there are tech-focused options like a 360-degree camera system and advanced navigation tools. The price of the new Ram Camper van starts at approximately $85,000 for the base model. Fully loaded with premium features, it can go up to $120,000. While this may seem steep, the combination of comfort, capability, and reliability justifies the investment for those seeking a high-quality adventure vehicle. The Ram Camper van is a game-changer for anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors without giving up modern comforts. It's versatile, powerful, and packed with features that make it an excellent choice for road trips, camping, or full-time van life. If you're ready to embrace the freedom of the open road, the Ram Camper van could be your perfect companion. Thanks for tuning into Gearhead Ultra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest in automotive innovation. See you next time.